Where are you going?
I'm running away.
Where?
Just somewhere else. I mean, I don't like it here anymore. I can't do this.
You going somewhere else?
Yes, I don't like it here anymore.
You think somewhere else will change things?
I mean, isn't it supposed to?
No. Sometimes it just moves with you. That feeling inside stays the same, even if you change the place.
I mean, I don't understand. What is it? Is it this city? Because the relief just never stays. What am I supposed to do? The second I stop moving, it all floods back into my head.
Because you're carrying all this stuff with you.
Then what am I supposed to do with it?
Humans are meant to run for survival. It's funny how we now run from ourselves.
Do you think we're really built to run like that? That's not sustainable at all.
Yes, of course. The body still remembers it. There's a kind of movement it knows very well. But life today doesn't ask for that kind of survival. So the movement goes somewhere else,
But where does it go?
into everything that keeps changing quickly. Routines, thoughts, messages, plans that keep changing. Even worry, it moves.
Yeah, but it's like we're moving all the time, but we're not arriving anywhere. All of that movement to where?
Yes, a lot of movement without arrival. Did it help?
For a bit, quite actually.
What changed?
I mean, when you're running, your breathing slows down, shoes are hitting the pavement, your heart is beating faster than your mind can think. And for a while, it feels like I'm okay.
What changes for you in those 40 minutes?
I mean, I feel like my mind finally shuts up. I mean, then I stop, but it's still there waiting at the edge of the day, at the edge of the couch, in the space between two notifications. And I feel like I just did not want this life.
What are you running away from?
I wish it had a name, but it's just a feeling. And it just keeps following me.
Maybe exhaustion is everything staying slightly unfinished inside.
So, when you say that something doesn't complete inside you, what does that mean?
There's a natural flow to things. It happens, it is felt, it gets processed, it settles, and then it releases. Like a conversation where nothing is left hanging. Like a moment that doesn't need to be returned to again and again. Sometimes that flow breaks. It happens, yes, you're there. It's real. It is felt, but not fully. Like a conversation from which you walked away and didn't say that one sentence you wanted to. Like a message you sent which didn't feel complete. Like a normal day at work where everything gets done on paper, but one interaction remains unfinished. A look, a pause, a tone. It gets processed, but not all the way through. It doesn't settle properly, and so it doesn't go.
What does it feel like?
Not pain, more like repetition. Something returns in fragments, not loudly, but again.
No, when something does complete inside you, what does that feel like?
It's like feeling something is fully received. It's fully done, not part of it still asking for attention. And then it can leave without coming back again and again. And that's why we are circling around. Not big things, not dramatic things, just ordinary moments that never fully finish, like a half-cooked meal. You can't properly eat it, you can't throw it away later, so it just sits there. Maybe we keep moving because of that. Not from life, but what doesn't complete inside it.
So when I'm saying that I feel like running away, what am I really saying?
I don't think it's about leaving anywhere. It's more like wanting things, even for small things to complete themselves while they're happening, so they don't keep coming back later. Maybe that is the real restlessness. Not life itself, but what never fully finishes inside it.